Hey, if you've been trying to grow on LinkedIn but feel stuck posting content, chasing leads, and doing everything manually, this video is going to change the game for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a powerful AI agent and automation system using N8N and InstantlyClaw, so you can generate leads, create content, and even do outreach on LinkedIn almost on autopilot. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the problem. LinkedIn is one of the best platforms for high-quality leads, but the process? It's time-consuming. You have to find prospects, analyze their profiles, write personalized messages, create consistent content, and if you're doing all of that manually, it quickly becomes overwhelming. That's where AI agents and automation come in. Now, here's the idea. We're going to combine two powerful tools, N8N for workflow automation and InstantlyClaw for AI agent execution. Together, they let you build a system that can find targeted LinkedIn prospects, generate personalized outreach messages, create content based on your niche, and even schedule tasks automatically, all with minimal manual work. Step 1. Set up your AI agent inside InstantlyClaw. Inside the platform, you'll have pre-built agents ready to handle tasks like research, writing, and outreach. Think of it like having a mini team working for you 24/7. You simply give it a command like, find 20 LinkedIn profiles in my niche and generate personalized connection messages, and the agent handles the heavy lifting. Step 2. Connect N8N for automation. This is where things get really powerful. In N8N, you can create workflows that trigger your AI agent automatically. For example, every morning, pull new leads from a data source, send that data to your InstantlyClaw agent, generate personalized outreach messages, and store everything in Google Sheets. Now, instead of doing this manually, it runs in the background. Step 3. Automate LinkedIn content creation. Consistency is everything on LinkedIn. You can set up your AI agent to research trending topics in your industry, generate post ideas, write full LinkedIn posts, even format them with hooks and calls to action. Then use N8N to schedule and organize your content pipeline. This means you can create a week or even a month of content in just one session. Step 4. Build your outreach system. This is where you can start seeing real results. Your AI agent can analyze a prospect's profile, identify pain points, and write a highly personalized message. Not generic copy-paste messages, but tailored outreach that actually gets replies. Then, with N8N, you can organize leads, track responses, and trigger follow-ups automatically. Now, let's be real for a second. This isn't a push one button and get rich system, but what it does give you is leverage. Instead of doing everything yourself, you're building a system that handles the repetitive work, so you can focus on closing deals and building relationships. And here's where InstantlyClaw stands out. Instead of spending hours setting up complex AI tools, you get a ready-to-use system with pre-built agents, connected tools, and a simple way to execute tasks. So you can focus on results, not setup. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning and new leads are already collected, messages are already drafted, content ideas are already prepared. That's the power of combining AI agents with automation. If you're serious about growing on LinkedIn, whether it's for your business, freelancing, or building a personal brand, this is one of the smartest systems you can start building right now. All right, that's it for me today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI automation content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.